Today I'm going to review the iBUYPOWER Y60 Black Pre-Built Gaming Desktop PC. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this gaming desktop PC for yourself and get it at a great price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Today, I've got something absolutely epic to show you, the iBUYPOWER Y60 Black Gaming PC. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just starting your journey, this powerhouse is designed to elevate your gaming experience to the next level. Let's dive into why you need this in your life. First up, let's talk performance. This beast is powered by the Intel Core i9-13900KF processor, clocking in at a whopping 3 GHz. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 12GB graphics card, you're looking at top-tier performance. Whether you're diving into the latest AAA titles or exploring the world of VR, this rig can handle it all with ease. But it's not just about gaming. With 32 GB of DDR5 RGB RAM running at 5200 MHz, you can multitask like a pro. Stream your gameplay, edit videos, and browse the web all at once without breaking a sweat. Plus, with 4 available memory slots, you can upgrade in the future as your needs grow. Talk about future-proofing. Storage? No problem. The 1TB NVMe SSD ensures lightning-fast load times and ample space for all your games and files. And connectivity? You've got it all. 6 USB 3.1 ports, onboard audio, and 802.11ac Wi-Fi for seamless online gaming. No more lag, no more waiting. Now let's talk aesthetics. The tempered glass RGB gaming case with 16-color RGB lighting isn't just a beauty, it's a showstopper. Plus, iBUYPOWER throws in a free gaming keyboard and RGB gaming mouse, so you're ready to go right out of the box. And did I mention there's no bloatware? That's right. Just pure, unadulterated power. Of course, no product is perfect. One thing to consider is its weight. At 40 pounds, this rig is pretty hefty. So, if you plan on moving it around frequently, you might need to rethink your setup. But honestly, once it's in place, you won't want to move it. So, there you have it, the iBUYPOWER Y60 Black Gaming PC. It's a powerhouse designed for gamers who want the best performance, future-proofing, and aesthetics. If you're ready to take your gaming to the next level, this is the rig for you. And if you'd like to get it at a fantastic price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.